How to fix YouTube not working on Wi-Fi. Let's start with airplane mode. First of all, hold on to your navigation bar now. Tap on airplane mode on. Wait for 10 to 5 seconds. Turn the airplane mode off. And again, turn on your Wi-Fi and try connecting to the Wi-Fi and check YouTube if the problem is fixed. Now, to check if the problem is not with your YouTube, try opening other social media apps such as Facebook, Instagram, and try playing some reels on it or scroll to see if it is working or not. If this is the issue, then you need to update your app. Go to Play Store and search for YouTube. Type in YouTube. Now, if it is open, then it means that your app is already up to date. If not, then there will be an update icon. Make sure to update the app to the latest version and try reopening the app. Then you're good to go. If this also doesn't solve the problem, then what you can do next is hold on to the app for some time and tap on I. It will lead you to setting. Now scroll down a bit and tap on storage. Now make sure to tap on clear cache. After that, go back. You may also tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Now close the app and try restarting your device and try reconnecting to Wi-Fi again and open your app and you're good to go, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.